Veronica Anderson. I am the founder of Wreaths by Veronica. I am a wreath maker and a business coach. And in this video today, I want to talk to you about branding. Branding consists of numerous of things. Now, however, a lot of people think branding just consists of logo, but it doesn't. It consists of coloring, visualization, how you present yourself out there on the social media world with your content, also with your videos. Now, also taglines could be a part of your branding. One thing I use as a tagline is "Wreathing your way to wealth." Yes. So, and also your tone. Your tone plays a big, huge part into your branding. It's how you present yourself, how you do your toning in your writing of your content, also in your videos. Also, people use music. Music is another good source of branding because you can use the same music that you use all the time into your posting. Now, let's get back to the coloring. We're going to talk about the coloring aspect of branding today in this video. Now, I am doing a presentation. Right now, I'm finalizing it, tweaking it, adding things, deleting things. You know how we do when we doing a presentation or doing anything. I don't know if you know it or not, but I am getting ready to host an event. It's a workshop event for leveling up your game in doing wreath events. So, and I will put the link in the description. You know why? Because I know you want to come. You want to be in the room because you want to get all of this nuggets and stuff. So, what we're going to do here, the event is, you almost got me. The event will be May the 4th at 12 p.m. noon. And it's going to be via Zoom. And guess what? It's free workshop. So where you can get all those nuggets. And don't forget, the link will be in the description. Now let's get back to this branding color. Right here, as you can see on this presentation right here, Mastering Wreath Events Workshop, the guide to hosting a successful wreath workshops. Host, Veronica Anderson. How about that? How did that sound? Don't they grab you? Don't they want you to be in that room right there? So what I did is I did the border around it in purple because you know why? Purple is one of the colors in my logo. I have 3 colors in my logo and purple is one of them. So I chose purple to line it out and enhance it and make it more vibrant and beautiful. And I also put my picture there. I'm loving that, and I framed that out in purple as well. Again, branding, putting it out there so that way people know who is Wreaths by Veronica, because I'm going to have new people into this workshop. I'm going to be gaining new friends. So I want to level up my game, and I want to help you level up your wreath event game. Now, wreath events, this here is not just for people that makes wreaths. It's for anyone that had the desire to host an event or thought about hosting an event but don't know how to host an event, or those that have hosted an event and just wants to level up their game or want to get more nuggets. So that's what I'm here for, is to help you with that. And don't forget, the link is in the description. And the workshop will be, again, May the 4th at 12 p.m. noon. And did I mention it's a free workshop? Yes, it's free. So hope to see you in the room. Thank you and have a good day. And also, thank you for watching as well. And remember, put God first and everything else will fall in line. Love each and every one of you. Thank you. Bye-bye.